In this video we clean a brickwork patio. It hasn't been cleaned in probably over 10 years, so I've been told. There's lots of weeds, lots of dirt, but it's got a great result at the end.
And every voice in the cityscape, we rejoice with the rhythm in the rush hour flow. In the Empire State of Mind we glow. With every step we claim this town, our laughter echoes won't back down. We just wanna feel joy, not the pain. We just wanna move free, unchained. Come the morning light, we'll dance on the streets with open eyes. If the world catches us in bliss, we'll be gone before their time. We'll scribble dreams on the city walls, skipping steps